Today we're digging into my main channel, Kelly Ann Smith, and looking at my analytics for December 2021. This was a good month, so we're going to look at the analytics. So we are going to go to December 2021. And I'm just going to do a quick overview of the analytics and videos of the month. Okay, so starting off this month, I got 67.8 thousand views, which is it's not the best. I definitely had higher views. Last December, I had 119,000. So it was almost half of what I got last year. So that sucks. But it was around the same average as the last 4 or so months. Watch time hours, 5.2K, which is awesome. But at the same time, kind of discouraging for this channel that you're watching on. I need 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized and 1,000 subscribers, and I got over the required amount for this whole other channel in just 1 month on my main channel. But that's what 6 years of content means versus just 1 year. Subscribers at 398 subscribers this month. Estimated revenue is $1,181.51. We're going to get into revenue in a little bit, so stay tuned for that. Let's see top videos. Let me refresh to get this little box out of here. I don't know why this happens, but it's annoying when it does. So let's refresh. Okay. So top videos this period was my 5 easy savings challenges. This is a video that I did in November, and it got 8,700 views this month alone. This video, why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore. This is one from August of 2020, 3,200 views. How to enter a code and fetch rewards. From July 2020, 2,700 views. So as you can see, a lot of these videos are passive income because they're from older videos. So this is one that I created recently, but these ones are older videos, which is awesome. That YouTube can become passive. It's very active income, but it also has the potential to become passive, which is amazing. 50 easy frugal living tips that'll save you thousands, 2,700 views. And as you can see, these are my top videos this month. Let's look at reach. Impressions, 881,000 impressions. Average click-through rate was 4.5%, which is, it actually went up a little bit towards the end of the month, which is great. At the beginning of the month, it was around 3.6, and then up into the high fives, and the average is 4.5%. Views was down 1% for 67,000 views. Unique viewers is 43.9 thousand, which is down 9%. Traffic sources, YouTube search was 36.3%, browse 25.8%, suggested video 14.5%, external 8.9%, channel pages 3.5%, and other 11%. Top external sources is Google, Facebook, Instagram, DuckDuckGo, and Yahoo Search. Top playlist is a mix of Kelly Ann Smith, uploads, fetch words tutorials, and money lessons. Traffic sources, YouTube search, fetch words, Excellence El Carmen. This was a vacation that I did a vlog on. You can see Excellence Punta Cana is also a top search as well as money saving and Dave Ramsey envelope system, which I haven't done a Dave Ramsey video in a long time. Suggested videos. These are the top suggested videos. If you're looking for content to make, this is a great way to come up with content idea and see what's getting suggested to your channel. Engagement. Watch time hours, 5.2 thousand hours. Average view duration is 4 minutes, 36 seconds, which is down 3%. Let's see. This is people still watching at 30 seconds, 80%, 80%, 80%. So these are great. You can see the graph here, and the pink line is this video, typical retention. So it's just above typical retention, which is great. Top videos, top December posts. This is on my community tab. Videos by end screen, top playlists, top cards, top end screen elements. Audience, returning viewers is in purple, the bottom one, and then new viewers is blue, which is great. That we're getting some new viewers in. Videos growing your audience. So this is the one these are what is getting most of my subscribers in. is these videos here. Other channels your audience watches. This right here is for TubeBuddy. So if you don't have TubeBuddy, I highly, highly suggest TubeBuddy. It's a great, great plugin that you can use, and I use it every single day. I'll have a link for you down below in the description box, but this shows me the top times that people are watching and the best times to upload. So according to this, my best day to upload is Sundays at noon, and then you can see the dark purple. This is when my audience is watching. So the worst day to upload is on Wednesdays. Best day to upload is Sundays. Top geographies: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, India. Subscribers who have all notifications turned on is 15.8%, which is 7.3 thousand people. And subscribers who turn on all notifications, 9.1%, 4.2K. You can see demographics: 68% female, 32% male in the age, mostly millennials in here. And revenue. This is everyone's favorite part. So revenue that I earned this month was $1,181.55. So on average, about $30 a day. Did get up to $51. That I think was the peak. $41, $46. This is towards the end of the year. RPM, this is the money that I actually make per thousand. So for per thousand views on average, I'm making $17.45. Playback CPM. This is the ad rates, but without the YouTube's cut. So before YouTube's cut, average is $25.59. You can see compared to other months here. This was December here, and this is January ongoing. So I'm filming this on the 12th, so a little less than halfway through the month. We're at $4.49. Top earning videos: savings challenges, how to use Fast Rewards app, why don't follow Dave Ramsey, easy frugal living tips, cashback apps. Now, this is my favorite thing to view in analytics out of everything, is to see the videos and how much they're making, and then also the playback CPM to see who had the best CPM this month. So let's see what video had the best CPM out of everyone. This one was $41. Up here, this one is $63. Up $69. Is that the winner? Let's see. I think it is. Oh, $85. All right, the winner is this video. Get Upside app review. So everyone go watch this video and give me some good CPM. And so this is my top paying video right now per 1,000 views is $85. And that gives, this month I made $20 off of it. I had 442 plays. So what's so interesting about this is most people see views and they think, okay, the one with the most views is going to pay the most money, right? Okay, maybe. But if we look at this one had more views. It had 3,800 views than this one up here, but this one made more money because the CPM is higher, $37 versus $22. That's a big, big difference in CPM. So the higher the CPM, it's actually better. So revenue was $1,160.17. Transaction revenue, this is my members, is $11.69. And then YouTube Premium is $9.70. So this is my analytics for December 2021. As of right now, I have 46,516 subscribers on my channel. And if you want to get TubeBuddy, it'll be linked down below. I also have other playlists for you here to grow your YouTube channel, to grow as an entrepreneur, that I'll have linked for you in the description.